Key account planning extends the capabilities of Oracle Sales Planning to let you model and plan baseline sales and trade promotions for key accounts and products based on forecasts, what-if scenarios, and desired outcomes. Perform gap analysis to test and select promotion options, then build your promotion with customizable blocks like pricing, placement, product, and so on. Here are a few guidelines and considerations for key account planning. Key account planning requires hybrid block storage cubes. Account and product are required dimensions. You can import target values from quota planning to key account planning. You can create two types of models, a volume and revenue model or a revenue only model. I'll go over the configuration tasks you need to complete to implement key account planning. After the configuration, make sure to perform the post-configuration tasks before starting your planning process. To get started, create an Oracle Sales Planning application with settings for calendar, period, currency, and reporting specific to your organization. If you plan on using quota planning or advanced sales forecasting, enable them before enabling key account planning. I'll enable quota planning so I can perform top-down planning by territory, customer, and products. I'll add a custom dimension which will be used to segment store types, channels, and so on. Now, I'll enable key account planning features. I'll enable baseline planning with volume and revenue, trade promotions planning, contract measures which allow you to model non-promotional contract terms with key accounts, and cost of sales. Building block planning as well as customer profit and loss are enabled by default. Use building blocks such as different pricing, placement, and product variants to identify the additional non-promotional sales plan adjustments. I'll enable Intelligent Performance Management or IPM. Spend less time analyzing data and more time making forecasting decisions with insights into key trends, biases, correlations, and anomalies with IPM. I'll integrate quota planning with key account planning to take advantage of both modules. Enabling this option creates a data map. Quota to target in key account planning revenue if the quota planning unit of measure is amount, or quota to target in key account planning if the quota planning unit of measure is units. I'll enable a custom dimension to map it to the segment custom dimension I enabled in quota planning. Verify your selections before enabling the features. Next, I'll configure the time frame and granularity for plans. I'll select the current fiscal year and period to control the beginning and end duration of the plan scenarios. The first part of the configuration is complete. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.